Hey, I'm Mike Mandel from Mike Mandel Hypnosis, and I want to talk to you about an amazing hack today if you or somebody you know, even a kid, has a nosebleed. When I was in public school, it seemed like kids got nosebleeds all the time, ranging from the tapping a tissue and having a little drip to the full-on fire hose, hands full of blood being rushed to the nurse's office, which was far more entertaining, to be honest. In which case, Miss Maley, my grade 2 teacher, would always say, "Did you help it? Did you help it?" What's it mean? He's got something up his nose like a dental implement and picking his sinus? No, it didn't help it. Okay, you can go to the nurse's office. Look. Here's what they told us. Oh, you have a nosebleed. Put a cold compress in the back of your head. Tip your head back. Oh, no, we've changed our mind. Pinch your nostrils. No, don't pinch your nostrils. Tip your head forward. All of these different things, which typically wound up with a lot of blood everywhere. Let me give you a method that'll destroy that. I got a hack for nosebleeds. This comes from Chinese medicine. It works. I was so skeptical. Here's what you do. Let's say your nose is bleeding from the left nostril. And after I tell you this, I'll tell you the hypnosis you can add to it. So left nostril is bleeding. Hold up the other hand, your right hand. Open your fingers. Hold it up overhead so your elbow is higher than your shoulder. Hold it like that with your fingers open. That's all you have to do. Don't pinch your nostril, nothing. I did this. I had a bad nosebleed. I don't get them anymore because I don't help it. And guess what happened? 15 seconds. It just stopped. I was like, what the? Anyway, then I saw a kid. He played trumpet at a Remembrance Day service. He gets this gusher of a nosebleed. They said, "What are we going to do?" I said, "Hey, let me help you with that." I added this, some direct suggestion. Hold your hand up over your head, the other side from the bleeding nostril. Open your fingers. Look at me. It's stopping. It's stopping. It's stopping. Bang, his nosebleed stops. Use this. It's an amazing hack. We're going to come up with some more of these and put them out there for you because life should be effortless, enjoyable, and you shouldn't be helping nosebleeds. But if you do, you can still shut that pecker off. I'm Mike Mandel. Check out our website, MikeMandelHypnosis.com. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks again, and good night.